Hey guys, what is up today? Welcome to Keep Me Up Subbing, and we're going to talk about a story that I seen from the Verge. Sony Xperia XZ2 Premium has a 4K display and cameras built for extreme low light shooting. Sometimes I have shot in low light shooting with an Apple phone and Samsung, and it does not look good. Especially if you want to take photos during 4th of July and you're in the dark. You have to literally turn your flash on. But this phone is basically the new unveiling Xperia XZ2 at Mobile World Congress MWC this year. They released this. That will be 1,800 unlocked. So probably looking at $900 or $1,000 for a year. 5.8-inch 4K display in XZ2 Premium and improvements over 5.7-inch Full HD 1080x 20. Yeah, 1080. Okay. The Sony. I have a couple of screenshots about me. It's approachable several other Android makers, including Huawei, has taken. Sony is trying to best everyone and stand out in the ISO performance. I think Sony is more as a phone. It's high def quality. It's really good quality. Anyway, I prefer Sony over Apple any given day. I prefer Sony over Huawei. This phone, I'm looking at it right now, it looks really wow. And, yeah. It has a dual camera on the back, a front-facing camera, just like Apple, just like the iPhone 10. Sony is like ahead of Apple, basically. Ahead of all the other Android platforms. They're already in Z's, Apple's already been in X and 10, I don't know. This phone looks really cool. When I seen this, I'm like, wow. And I've always liked shooting at night sometimes. Night shooting is really hard, especially if you want to take photos of fireworks or if you want to see the street lights. It's very hard to capture in low light situations. You have to mainly use a camera when you do night photography. Phones are very, very little bit different than a camera. Huge difference. Huge. Like Donald Trump always says, huge different. I'm just saying, this phone is very, very cool and awesome and dope. The battery will probably last long because it's Sony. Sony is always a long-lasting battery. I've had a Sony TV, and Sony TVs last me for who knows how many years. It's lasted since I was born. Yeah. Let me know what you think about this. And I have a couple screenshots, and I will have a short little trailer clip of it too at the beginning. Yeah. Or a cut. Alright. And make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow me all over the internet of @Sonny'sLive. And yeah, see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.